Dear students, so today we'll have a description of breakdown phenomena. So in that we'll just have a glance on this. What are these gaseous dielectrics? Most commonly found dielectrics are gases such as nitrogen, inside the bracket it is N2, carbon dioxide, the chemical this is CO2, SF6 is sulfur hexafluoride. So now if the applied voltages are large, you can imagine the current flowing through the insulation increases naturally very sharply, and an electrical breakdown occurs. So the maximum voltage applied to the insulation at the moment of breakdown is called the breakdown voltage. The buildup of high currents in a breakdown is due to the presence or due to the process known as ionization. And what is this ionization? In which electrons and ions are created from neutral atoms or molecules. So students know the differences between what are atoms, the structure of an atom, the electrons, the neutrons consisting of the protons, the spin of the electrons, and what are molecules, what are elements. So also know the differences between ions, positive ions, the cations. So moving further, ionization by electron impact under strong electric field is the most important process leading to the breakdown of gases. So based upon this and very important concept called as the ionization process. So this is the most focusing point at the initial startup, where it is necessary for a student at this level to study the high voltage engineering. Ionization process. A gas in normal state is a perfect insulator. I have already stated you to know the differences between a conductor and insulator. So a gas in normal state is a perfect insulator. When a high voltage is applied between the two electrodes in a gaseous medium, the gas becomes a conductor and electric breakdown occurs. You have just focused on breakdown. So the maximum voltage applied to the insulation at the moment of breakdown is called as the breakdown voltage. So now breakdown occurs because of this voltage. So how it occurs? What are the criteria? What are the hidden things behind this? So that is by ionization, by collision, photoionization, and secondary ionization process. These are the three important areas where a student at this level of 7th semester of high voltage engineering has to focus, that what leads for the breakdown process. It is by ionization of collision, photoionization, and secondary ionization process. But stating the important concept or the definition for ionization, you should at least know, focus on this, the last sentence, the process of liberating an electron from a gas molecule or with the simultaneous production of a positive ion is called as ionization. So liberating or liberation of an electron from a gas molecule, or as just mentioned, or a neutral molecule or an atom also can be considered in this particular place. The process of liberating an electron from a gas molecule or a neutral atom with the simultaneous production of a positive ion is called as ionization. We'll again focus on the process of ionization, which is the most important for the students to know the process of breakdown that leads to the breaking up of the property of dielectrics or the insulation. Thank you.